Divorce, separation, and breakup. These mark some of the most challenging experiences families ever endure. Exploring how to get full custody may prove necessary. Gaining full custody may also be the only way to secure your child's safety and security. In this video, we'll go over how to get full custody of a child and why it's sometimes necessary. Child's best interests. Canada's family judges prefer joint custody arrangements with both parents involved in raising a child. Final determinations vary by court. Judges will attempt to rule in the best interests of the child. Parents seeking full custody must prove that other custody arrangements would negatively impact the child, and this can prove a challenging endeavor. Physical custody. It's important to understand the different types of child custody. They have a direct impact on divorcing or separating parents' rights to their children. Most people are familiar with physical custody, which refers to a parent's right to live with their child. When a child will be spending significant time living with both parents, some courts award joint custody. In situations where parents live too far apart, courts award sole physical custody to one parent. Sole custody is meant to spare children the strain of too much traveling. When one parent has sole physical custody, the child spends every day living with that parent. They only see the other parent for visits. Legal custody. Legal custody refers to the legal authority to make major decisions for a child. These decisions include choices about medicine, religion, and schooling. When one parent has legal custody, they have the power to make unilateral decisions. They choose how the child will be brought up without input from the other parent. Family judges feel most comfortable awarding joint legal custody to divorcing parents. Again, family judges base their decisions on what's in the best interest of the child. Having both parents involved in important decisions related to a child usually proves optimal. Sole custody. Sole custody is also known as full custody. Where joint physical and legal custody would prove detrimental to a child, a judge may award sole custody. For parents interested in how to get full custody of their child, be prepared for a difficult legal battle. Family courts prefer that parents share custody of a child. To be awarded sole custody, a parent must show that their former partner is unfit to parent. Getting full custody. When it comes to full custody, a parent must prove it's in the best interest of the child. You'll need to prove the relationship you have with the child merits this arrangement. You'll also need to prove that you can provide the child with a stable and secure home life. To gain full custody, you must prove that the other parent is unable to properly care for a child, or that the other parent presents a risk to that child. Situations which might urge a judge to rule for full custody include domestic violence, physical or sexual abuse, and mental illness. Other situations include alcohol or drug abuse, incarceration, abandonment, and relocation. Read up on child custody laws in Canada. Seek legal representation and follow courtroom etiquette. You should consider requesting an in-home custody evaluation. An in-home custody evaluation helps the family court evaluate living arrangements and your relationship with your child. They prove helpful when your ex tries to paint you in a bad light. We're here to provide you with the legal resources that you need. Contact us today to learn more about how to get full custody. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more legal information and helpful tips.